Today I'm going to show you how to clean your silicone sealing ring on your crock pot, Instapot, whatever. I have a crock pot express, but they're probably all pretty much similar in design and how you put them in. Okay, this is my lid from my crock pot express, and this is the silicone ring inside. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you pull it out, and it's real easy. Basically is you lift that up there, okay, and there's a little ridge in here that fits under this bar, okay, and you just pull that out. And ideally you should take this out every time after you use your crock pot. See, there you go, or your Instant Pot, whatever you have. You should take this out every time and wash it in some hot sudsy water, okay, and then you get it and dry it just with a towel and dry it off real good. Go all the way around, okay. There's, I don't know if you can really see this, it's hard to, where my hands are you can see it more. There's a little ridge in here that goes all the way around, and that fits on this bar, okay. So when you put it back in, okay, what you're going to do, I'm going to stick this on a towel so it doesn't slide. You're going to slide this in this hole, and so that groove there goes on that bar. Okay? And you're just going to go all the way around and press it in place. This is a lot easier to do when it's facing you, and I've got it facing away so that you're able to see it. Okay, and that's all there is to it. And just going all the way around, you can see there's the little silver bar in there, and it's just sitting on that ring, and you want that to be flush so that this is down on the base of the lid. And that's it. Keep it clean, and you shouldn't have any problems with it. If you want to order an extra set of sealing rings, you could get them. They're made out of silicone. You can find them at the brand of pressure cooker that you've bought, whether it's Instapot, Crock-Pot, Farberware, wherever they generally have theirs. And you can do the easy way and go to Amazon and just put in silicone sealing rings for whatever it is. You can just put pressure cooker, and then they'll all come up. But make sure you get one that fits it. Usually they will tell you the style numbers, model numbers. And that's it. So, happy cooking.